Sue back again for Ipsum's next crafty make. So as this week's theme is Paddington Bear, we're going to stick along the bear theme and just show you how you can draw very simple drawings using shapes and particularly objects that you can find around the house. Now we're just going to draw this lovely little bear, and as you can see it's made up completely of circles or half circles. If you wanted to, and if you're feeling confident, you could draw this freehand, but generally if I'm trying to draw a circle, I'll find things around the house that I can use. Okay, so here I've got a selection of things. I've got some tape, which is going to form the head and the body. So we've got a smaller tape, which is going to form the belly, the mouth, pound coin, which is going to be things like the eyes and the paws, a glue lid. So, you know, go round. If you're doing this for small children, this is part of a nice game where they can go around the house and collect as many round objects as possible. And then that will give you some kind of idea about scale and what size your bear is going to be. So I'm just going to draw mine using these objects. So you have your piece of paper. So I'm going to draw on here. So you'll need a pen or a pencil, and then your circular object. So I'm just going to do it in pencil, but obviously once you've done it, you can colour it in, you can paint it in, do whatever you like with it. So I'm going to draw a circle first for the head, and I'm going to overlap it slightly and draw another one for the body. So this is something you could do with small children. You could hold the shapes. Really good to get used to kind of drawing around templates and stuff like that. So we've got a head and our tummy. So I'm going to now draw the bit which is a mouth. So that kind of sits along the chin part. So we've got the mouth there, and then I'm going to draw inside for the tummy. So again, you can adapt this to however you like. So we want 4 paws. I'm just going to draw 4 circles here, and you can experiment with different size circles, but it just gives you the idea. When it comes to drawing, a lot of it is breaking things down into shapes. So I'm going to use this one for the ears, but I'm just going to use half of it at the top, a half circle, like so. So I started with my big ones, then I've put all my medium ones in. I'm going to draw now some eyes, my pound coin. So like I say, you don't have to use the exact same objects I'm using. You can improvise, use whatever you've got around the house. So I'm going to do that for the nose. And then for the paws, I'm just going to put them in right on the bottom of the circle that's gone in before. So you've got a shape like this. So really simple. It's a really lovely thing to do with children. They might want to do something with squares. They might want to create a square picture. Okay, so we've got all our details in there. So we just want our curved lines here. So again, we're using our objects to create the design for us. We're going to do 2 curved lines there. So we've got pretty much everything in place. Oh, some eyebrows. So again, using the pound coin to do some eyebrows. And then I'm just going to start to add a bit more detail. So I'm going to add in some shine in the eyes, again using circles. If you wanted to draw around something circle, but because we're doing quite small ones, it's easier to do freehand. So I'm going to do a big circle and a small circle. So this style of eyes is quite common in Japanese sort of drawings. I'm going to do a little bit of a shine on the side of the nose. So again, I'm going to do a little bit of a curve like this. Almost a little comma shape. I'm going to use some little circles for the detail on the mouth, and that's it basically. And then what you can do is you can start to colour it in. So you can colour in the eyes, leaving those circles as like the shine of the eyes. Got a bit of detail inside the ears, the tummy and the paws. So you could use pencil, or you could use pen or paint, and do it however you like.